Hello, this is Patrick from XPression. I'd like to show you something new in the XPression NLE workflows, the utilization of the Adobe Premiere Pro workflow for Windows. I'm in my nonlinear editor on Windows, it's Adobe Premiere Pro, and I have a video that I need to add a graphic to. In the old days, you used to have to ask somebody to lay off a graphic for you or use some of the internal tools, which may not match the rest of what your production facility is using. Well, now we've addressed that, so I'm going to show you how to go ahead and do this. I want to put my graphic in here, and I don't want to burn it into the actual video because, again, it's an effect. It will work like a blur or anything else. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on a separate layer. So I'm going to go over to my bin. I'm going to right-click, and I'm going to choose New Item, and I'm going to choose Transparent Video. When I do that, it comes up with a Transparent Video dialog box. I want it to match the dimensions of what my project is, so I'm just going to go ahead and click OK. And you can see I've now got that in my bin. I'm going to take it. I'm going to put it on my timeline. I'm going to put it at the next available track, and I want this to be about 10 seconds. So I'm going to stretch that out. Okay, so I've got that. And then the next thing I need to do is to put XPression on here. It's an effect. So I want to go to my effects menu. So I go up top and I click on effects. And you can see the effects panel opens up. I'm going to go over to video effects. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, and you can see under the video effects panel, there's a separate video effects folder, and then there's an XPression NLE plugin. I'm going to take that plugin, I'm going to drag it and put it on that transparent video block that I created, and that's within there. I'm going to go back up to the top in the effects window. I'm going to click on effects controls, and you can now see that I actually have an XPression NLE effect here. I'm going to click open plugin. That opens up the XPression NLE plugin. I want to choose a graphic. So I'm going to choose my templates here. I'm going to choose my lower third transition template, transition logic template. I'm going to put my name in there. And if I want, I can, like all of our NLE plugins, I can rewind that, and I can click the play button so that I get a preview as an editor to see what that looks like. And I'm happy with it. That's perfect. So I'm going to click OK. And now that should be on my timeline. The way I can prove that, if I just come down to my preview window and I click play, you'll see that that's now part of my video. And again, it's a separate layer, so I can turn it on and off if I choose to, but that's now part of my nonlinear edit and on my timeline. And these are using the same templates that my MOS newsroom is using. And all my nonlinear editors that are using Adobe Premiere can also share this workflow and use the exact same templates.